Hi guys.
Hi guys,
Good morning.
good morning from Jasper National Park in Canada. So we are about to start our hike, and the name of the trail is the Skyline Trail, as you guys can see. And this is actually the end of the hike.
Yeah, so we're dropping off our cars here. We're gonna get a shuttle at the beginning of the hike. It's a one-way hike. It's 2 days and 1 night. It ends up being about 40 kilometers. And we're gonna hike all the way back to here, get our car, and keep moving on.
So bye, and we will keep you posted.
Wish us luck. We just got dropped off to start the Skyline Trail. And we are ready to start. It's 10:15. Beautiful blue sky day. We got about 20 kilometers today, and it's over that way. Wish us luck.
This is how the trail looks like. It's pretty nice. We made it to the second camp of the trail. We're not spending the night here, but we're just eating. We got some what are you eating?
Overnight oats.
These are
Berries.
bags. It's really pretty. These campsites have camp spaces, and there is another group and bathrooms.
We're on our way up the mountain. Beautiful views. Be there soon. Find ourselves in this valley. Very pretty. A lot of green. Snow on the mountaintops. Beautiful.
Hey guys,
Hey,
we made it
it.
to
Big Shovel Pass. Big Shovel Pass.
super windy.
Super windy, but it was worth it. Now we go up that way. Woo, it's windy right now. On over the pass. Woo.
Hey, we made
We made it.
Our refuge is right here, and we're so excited. It was so cold over the pass, crazy wind. So we made
Little
it.
cabin.
Finally.
Here's our little cabin called the Watchtower. Right.
It's about to rain, so perfect timing.
So here we have little torches here.
No electricity.
Uh-huh.
Woo-hoo.
That's what we do for light. Oh. Okay.
Okay, these are our beds. We got to the main cabin with all kinds of goodies,
Snacks and goodies.
cookies, hot chocolate. Hey guys, we had a we had a great night last night,
yeah.
but some people had a rough night.
Yeah, we were well protected in our cabins, but we could hear the wind coming through and the rain pouring down, but we were nice and toasty.
We had just some GNR's coffee, and we're
Great
ready
breakfast,
to go.
pancakes in our bellies. We're ready to go. All right, we're back at the junction up from our cabin, and we're back looking at the notch again. But this time, it's covered in snow. This wasn't there last night. We heard all the rain and wind, and I guess it created a new blanket of snow. So I'm going to be following Jana. We're going to go this way and then up the notch. We came up this path here, down by the lake. Almost there.
And here is Grand. Super foggy. Ooh, we made it. We made it through that chute. It's okay. And our new friends here. Hi. We made it.
Okay, we got a little hail happening here. But we're making it down the valley. I'm glad we're not up on the ridge still. Oh, we did it!
We did it! Woo, 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 woo. Official time.